Today I am reviewing this TreatLife Smart Water Leak Detector Alarm Kit. I have just the spot for this because we have just recently started renovating our downstairs bathroom and laundry room. When we first moved in here, our washing machine backed up from the hose that goes into the wall and all over the floor, all over the basement, flooded the basement, and we did not realize it until it had been flooding for a little bit because we were upstairs and didn't hear it. Let's just open it up. And so there's a couple of little pamphlets about the smart gateway, quick installation guide, which I'll go through that. So inside, this is the part that obviously goes into the wall. And then you have 4 little flood detectors. And it says that they have 2 AAA batteries in them. And I do believe that it comes with the batteries. I think I see them in the box. So let's just take all these out. Yep, there they are. Nice, because that's always annoying when you order something and it needs batteries and you don't have the batteries. So just put these batteries in. A little light comes on. That's a good sign. I'm just going to see how this goes. Allow TreatLife to send you notifications. Allow. I'm assuming that's how it's going to let me know if I have a leak. And agree to the user agreement. Create a new account because I don't have these. This is my first TreatLife product. Eight 43117. Okay. Okay, now they're requesting permission. I'll leave it on for now. Add device. So I have installed the TreatLife app. I have paired it with my Wi-Fi or hooked it up to my Wi-Fi, and I have actually installed 2 of the sensors into the app, or set up 2 of the sensors, and I have 2 left. So I'm going to set those up right now. So you just go into the app, add a device. I'm just going to add it manually. So I went to sensors and then I'm choosing the flood detector because that's what I have. I'm going to use the Smart Hub Gateway. So now it says to reset the device. So the reset button is on the little leak detector right here, and you push it and you hold it for 5 seconds until the little light starts to blink. And then it says install the batteries. I already did that. Hold the reset button for 5 seconds. I did that. So next, confirm that the indicator is blinking rapidly. Yes. Next, ensure that it is powered on, and now it's going to, okay, it says home water detector number 3 can now be used. I can put the cover on that one now, and then move on to the 4th one. So done. Go here, add a device, a sensor, a flood detector with the smart hub. I put the batteries in and powered it on. Now I'm going to reset the device. Next, confirm it's blinking. Yes. Next. The detector number 4 can now be used. Okay. So let's test one. Let's test this one. So I have a little puddle of water here. I'm just gonna all right. Alarming. It's alarming. Pick it up to make it stop, and then you can deal with your leak. Okay, so I've got my smart hub and my 4 leak detectors. Now that I've got all the sensors added into the app, I want to see if I can rename them so I know what each one is. Edit, name. I'm going to call this one basement bathroom water leak detector. Save. Alright, so now I have to find number 2. Yep, it's this one. Alright. So I've got laundry room, basement, bathroom. Let's do one up here. Save, alright. Alright. I'll just put that one up here. And the last one, maybe I'll put in the kitchen. Alright, so I have my upstairs bathroom one. I'm just going to stick it over here behind the toilet. Put it right underneath the pipe, so if it leaks, it'll be fast to recognize that. I think this is a great product, and it was relatively easy to set up. It took a little while, but wasn't hard. Just followed the directions. It's going to be nice to not have to worry that the washing machine is flooding out the basement every time we turn around. So thank you to TreatLife.